Can you kind of walk us through that journey, this 3.0 to 4.0, and infusion of AI into the shop floor, but at a broader organization level, how it has happened and what is kind of happening now?
Yes, Industry 3.0 was really around kind of the PLC as like the core of the ability to help automate the manufacturing floor. And that was kind of like oversimplified the core. As we started to progress, a couple things happened. One, newer technologies came out, like artificial intelligence, and I'm going to get to that one in a second. And the other is IoT, which is a simplified way of doing connectivity. So now you had these machines and these PLCs having a couple things happen. One, you added a software layer on top. So software started to now get into the IT space because you're having software on top of an electromechanical world for visibility, for control, management. Then you have connectivity, which is driven by IoT to allow sensors, machines to communicate with each other and to potentially communicate with the outside world. And then when you add the software on top of that, now you have an unprecedented amount of data generation. And even according to IoT analytics as of last year, there's an estimated 18.8 billion connected IoT devices that doesn't even include laptops and cell phones. And it's these devices that are creating this huge amount of data. And then the question becomes, what do you do with that data? And the first round more on analytics using machine learning can help with using it for evaluation, analysis, classification, but you could also use it for prediction and the ability to go, all right, tell me what's going to happen based off of the history that I have. And then beyond that, it's going to be autonomous control, which is where agents come in to be able to self-optimize, learn, and actually tell machines what to do based off of what's going on. So we're seeing this evolve and evolve and evolve over time. The Industry 4.0 label just kind of summarizes all of it and the time frame that kind of all this stuff is happening in. And we're seeing this happen right now. It doesn't mean every company is doing every one of these things, but collectively overall, our society is starting to do these things and take advantage of them. And the ones that don't start to do it, they're going to have a hard time competing in either now or next 10 years if they don't start to do this. I would view the IoT wave is more mature right now. We've been doing that for the past 10 years, connecting your assets down to a sensor, a machine, or your products in the field, connect to them so that you can collect data and you can control them.